Good afternoon, Peru Middle School students. It's Mr. Storms. It is March 31st. It is our 12th day on emergency release due to the coronavirus. All students are still working in their Google Classrooms, A and B. That will be changing in April, but we're continuing to work right now in our Google Classrooms A and B, completing 2 activities a day in those. It's really important that students are doing that, but the most important thing is that students are checking their emails every day. Every day you receive an email from me, and you also receive emails from your teachers, and it's also a tool for you to communicate with your teachers. If anyone has any concerns or questions, feel free to give the school a call, 518-643-6300. I will return your call if you have a question, or we can also get the messages to your counselors. It's really important. So I'm also going to share this message out to parents today through another avenue. So again, my videos are on my YouTube channel. They're also sent to all students each day, and I'm going to send this one to parents as well so they're aware. So keep doing good work. Remember to be social distancing, and but also it looks like a nice day outside, so get outside for a few minutes and get some fresh air. So I hope everyone's doing well. I hope your families are well as also. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.